Only an option for Mexico.
Really? Oh, yep. Ramcharger.
The silver. Second gen Ramcharger.
No way.
Only available in Mexico.
Holy.
That's a Mexican truck.
Dude, really?
Mexico only.
My
Yeah.
cousin built that truck then.
Yeah.
For sure.
We're going through the mud.
Guaranteed.
Just passed by a regular Ramcharger. That's cool.
So this one, well, a Mexican
That's
car.
what we got here.
Yeah.
And that was it.
Oh, that was it?
That was it. That's all we got was first gen. Second gens were Mexican only. Only an option for Mexico.
Really? Oh,
Yep.
Ramcharger.
Yep. That is amazing. I've always wanted to see one in person.
Really? Is that unique?
They're only sold in Mexico.
Fair enough.
Yeah, like you don't see one in person. From Shallow Lake, I don't know where that is.
Whoa. It's got a looks kind of like a van in the back.
Almost kind of like with the bump has an Envoy vibe, eh?
Yeah, yeah. It also kind of like reminds me of the old Cadillacs.
Well, honestly, it kind of looks like that.
That's pretty cool. Mexican only, eh? Wow.
And it's loaded.
Is it?
Mexican ones are
2001.
usually like hand crank windows and stuff.
So this is a 2001 Dodge Ramcharger.
It has cruise, dude, power windows and locks.
Wow.
You just got the wood grain on the dash.
That's cool.
Oh my god.
Oh. Interesting.
Wow, I never thought I'd see one in person. Look at
What? Oh, right.
transportation permits for Mexico.
Damn. It's crazy. Interesting.
Right? Makes you wonder why they built the Dakota. Or like the Dakota and the Durango when they could have used the Ram and do
So that's
the
a Ramcharger and the Beast. So there's a lot of Ramchargers here.
Yeah.
Like in general.
The
like
other ones are
Ramchargers.
what we normally get here.
Yeah.
You don't get a second hand.
Oh, interesting. Did not know that.
Almost looks caravan.
Yeah, that's
Man, that's cool.
a history. Some history right there. See anything you like? No?
Viper.
The Viper? So you're gonna get a Viper, right?
Maybe.
Alright.
I'm still thrilling over that Ramcharger.